Are you an architect, engineer, or designer? Because you are in the right place to get the most insightful and comprehensive information on an assortment of audio, visual design, and acoustics. This is Seth Waltz. He's the owner of AVL Designs and a 40-plus year veteran of the industry. Wow, that makes him sound old. Well, we at AVL Designs have an enormous client base consisting of universities, places of worship, TV studios, corporate conference centers, and a whole bunch of other stuff. You can be assured that with that background, we're going to provide you with a great wealth of knowledge concerning audiovisual design and real-world examples that you can use in the field. AVL Designs, simply put, is the best place to get information you need to be effective in your field. Subscribe to the channel, comment a lot, visit our website. Oh, and I almost forgot, we have this thing, the Wall of Shame. You really gotta see it to believe it. That's on our website, so visit that too. So step 1, go to YouTube, subscribe immediately. Step 2, watch a lot of videos and comment. And step 3, go to have a good laugh at the Wall of Shame at avldesigns.com.